All right, to use Tap to Pay on your Android phone, we're first going to make sure NFC is turned on. NFC is the technology that makes Tap to Pay work, and it stands for Near Field Communication. On a Samsung phone, you'll find this under Settings, Connections, then NFC and Contactless Payments. Toggle that on, and down here, you can also set your default wallet app. For most people, that's going to be Google Wallet, though on Samsung devices, you might use Samsung Wallet instead. Both kind of do the same thing. Google Wallet is supported in more countries. Samsung Wallet has things like digital car keys and built-in password manager. This NFC menu is located in a slightly different place depending on your phone. If you're on stock Android, you'd go to Settings, Connected Devices, then Connection Preferences, and find NFC from there. Or, easiest option, just search NFC directly in your settings, and it'll usually bring you right to it. Once NFC is on, open up your Wallet app. I'll use Google Wallet here. If you don't already have it on your phone, you can download it from the Google Play Store. You'll first log in with your Google account, and the first thing it'll ask is to add a payment card. So we'll add a new credit or debit card, and there's two ways to do this. You can either scan the card with your camera or manually enter the card details. I'm going to blur my card here so you guys don't go shopping on my expense. But basically, the camera will automatically recognize the card number and input all the details in the Google Wallet app. You'll need to manually input the security code, and in some cases also your name and address, but the rest is done by the camera. Or just type everything manually if that's what you prefer. Once that's all done, the app will check the card's eligibility, show you the terms and conditions, which you will obviously read beginning to end before accepting, and then you're all set. Occasionally, you might get a card rejection. If that happens, don't panic. Just go back into the app, double-check the card number and details, and try again. Sometimes running through the process twice will resolve any issues, and sometimes that error might just trigger because your bank wants you to first confirm this is an authorized attempt to add the card to your Google Wallet. Banks are pretty cautious about any unauthorized use of these things. Like this, I'm getting a message saying my bank needs to verify it's actually me doing this. This is a standard confirmation step, meant to make sure someone didn't steal your card and is now trying to add it for Tap to Pay without your knowledge. So what I'll do is log into my bank's app, confirm that I want to add this card to Google Pay, verify with a code they send me, and then we're all done. I can close the banking app, go back into Wallet, and everything should be set and good to go. It might ask you to authenticate one more time with your fingerprint or similar, but at that point, your card is fully ready to use for Tap to Pay. When it's time to use Tap to Pay, it's super easy. No need to open any apps or navigate anywhere on your phone. Just literally tap your phone's back against the payment reader, and the payment will get processed. You do need to unlock your phone for the payment to be accepted, so you can either start with an unlocked phone or start with your phone locked and then unlock it with face, fingerprint, or PIN when prompted to do so. And that's how you use Tap to Pay. Nice, convenient, and secure. Go give it a try. Go click that like button if this video helped, and go subscribe to my channel for more guides like this. Thanks all. Till next time.